Welcome to Immigration Info, your ultimate hub for all things immigration. Looking for visa tips, country guides, and the latest immigration updates? You're in the right place. Subscribe for expert insights and join our global community today. As Donald Trump returns to the White House, his stance on immigration is once again in the spotlight. Throughout his previous term, Trump took a stringent approach to immigration, especially targeting illegal immigration. However, his policies also impacted legal immigration, raising concerns about the future of programs like the H1B and L1 visas, which are crucial for skilled workers, particularly from India. The importance of H1B and L1 visas for Indian professionals. India remains a leading recipient of H1B and L1 visas, which allow skilled professionals to work in the United States. The H1B visa enables American companies to hire foreign professionals with specialized skills, while the L1 visa allows companies to transfer employees to their U.S. offices. For many Indian workers and tech companies, these visa programs are essential. But Trump's past policies suggest a potential shift that could affect both employers and employees. Changes during Trump's first term. Trump's Buy American and Hire American executive order set the stage for a series of changes aimed at tightening visa requirements. In 2020, the Trump administration proposed raising the minimum wage requirement for H-1B visa holders, intending to ensure they earn competitive salaries compared to their American counterparts. Although this proposal was blocked in federal court, it reflected the administration's focus on prioritizing American jobs and wages. Additionally, Trump sought to revamp the H-1B selection process, moving away from a lottery system to one based on salary and skill level. This shift was aimed at bringing in the most qualified individuals, but it would also make the process more selective and competitive. There were even discussions about rescinding the right for spouses of H-1B holders, H-4 visa holders, to work in the U.S., adding another layer of restriction. During this period, rejection rates for H-1B visas surged by 177%, and L1 visas faced a 28% increase in rejection, with overall approval rates dropping to a historic low of 84.5%. Rising costs and stringent eligibility requirements. This year, visa-related costs have already increased significantly. The U.S. government raised the registration fee for H-1B applications by 2,000%, from $10 in 2019 to $215. Additionally, application and extension fees have surged, and new rules require jobs to demand degrees specifically related to a specialized field. For example, a general business administration degree may no longer meet the requirements for certain specialized roles, reducing eligibility for a broader range of applicants. Industry experts suggest these changes could increase employer costs by 70% for H-1B visa holders and 11% for L1 employees. Such hikes add financial pressure on companies relying on skilled international talent, which could influence their hiring decisions and workforce composition. How companies are adapting. Recognizing the challenges, many at giants like Cognizant, Infosys, and TCS, among the top recipients of H-1B visas, have started reducing their reliance on these visa programs. By expanding local hiring within the U.S., they aim to insulate themselves from further regulatory changes. This strategic shift could mitigate the impact of future policy shifts, ensuring business continuity without excessive dependence on international visas. A stricter process ahead for aspiring migrants. For individuals aspiring to work in the U.S., the path may become more challenging. Any re-implementation of Trump's policies could further tighten visa approvals, increase costs, and make the selection process more rigorous. Those hoping to build careers in the U.S. may need to prepare for more hurdles and consider alternative pathways or local job markets that require similar skill sets. With Trump back in office, his approach to immigration reform may reshape the landscape for foreign workers. While U.S.-based companies have adapted by hiring locally, aspiring H-1B and L1 visa holders may face a more competitive and costly process.